In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enhance your Microsoft PowerPoint presentations with a simple yet effective typography trick. This quick tip will help you add a touch of professionalism to your slides, making them look more polished and visually appealing. Let's dive right into it. First things first, go ahead and open your PowerPoint presentation file. Make sure you're on the slide where you want to make your typographic adjustment. If you're working on a presentation you've already started, simply navigate to the slide where you want to apply this trick. If you're creating a new slide, set it up the way you like, and we'll proceed from there. Now, on the text box where you'd like to apply this typographic change, start by typing the characters M, and 2. This might seem a bit cryptic at first, but don't worry, you'll see how this comes together as we move forward. Remember that this can be any text you want to emphasize, so feel free to get creative with it. Once you have M2 typed out, the next step involves a simple drag gesture. Click on the 2 with your mouse and hold it down. This action is crucial as it ensures the part of the text you want to adjust is selected. By doing this, you're telling PowerPoint that this specific part is what you're going to modify next, which makes it a key step in our process. Now here's where the real magic happens. With the 2 still selected, press the Ctrl key, the Shift key, and the Alt key all at once on your keyboard. This keyboard shortcut is a quick way to apply superscript formatting to your selected text. Superscript is often used in academic writing or technical documents, but it can also add an elegant support to your presentation visuals. After pressing those keys simultaneously, you'll see that the 2 has been lifted slightly above the M, giving it the professional appearance of a mathematical expression or a footnote. This small change can make a big difference in how your slide is perceived, conveying attention to detail and a heightened level of sophistication. And that's it. You're done. This little trick is a great way to make specific parts of your text stand out in your PowerPoint presentations. It's especially useful for scientific equations, annotations, or even just adding a stylized element to your text that draws the audience's eye. Thank you for watching this tutorial on fine-tuning your presentations with Google. We hope you found this tip helpful. Be sure to explore more of our videos for other great ways to enhance your presentation skills. Until next time, happy presenting.